Hello everybody, I'm Ryan McKay here again, the Firehouse Chef, trying to show you how to make some stovetop oatmeal. What I've done here is I've added equal parts butter and oil, so it raises the smoke point while also, allowing us to have that enjoyable nutty flavor of butter. Put it into a pan over medium-high heat, and then went ahead and added some steel cut oatmeal, about 2/3 part to 1 part quinoa. The health benefits of it, the amino acids, fantastic, and also again, it kind of builds upon that nutty flavor that we're looking for. So all I'm doing right now is just sauteing it over some medium-high heat, to kind of bring out that nutty flavor and aroma, and that's what you're trying to smell right now. And this should typically take about 30 seconds to a minute, it depends. And what I'm making right now is about a cup's worth, and this should feed easily 5 hungry firemen with some eggs on the side, maybe some fruit, and you call yourself a really good breakfast. So we're gonna add 2 cups of water. I like to add a little bit of dairy to it, so I'll add about 1/2 cup of milk, about 1/2 cup of buttermilk, because we are in the South here in Atlanta. Need to add a little bit of flavoring to it. You can skip adding the sugar, but my guys like a little bit, so add about 2 tablespoons. Some other health benefits I like to add are some seeds. Seeds are amazing sources of protein and amino acids. I like to add a little bit of flaxseed and chia seed. And yes, you do salt your oatmeal. About 1/2 teaspoon should be plenty. And what we're gonna try and do now is just bring it up to a nice gentle boil. We're gonna leave that lid on until we get there. So we're right where we need to be right now. It's a nice, just gentle boil, so just adjust the temperature as needed, and you're gonna leave it as is. Don't stir, just walk away, and you're good. Come back in about 5 minutes, test it, check on that. Should be about 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll come back, it should be done. So now we are ready to plate. Go with a little bit and work backwards. The fun thing with oatmeal, of course, is just what do you want to top it with? And I usually like to go with something a little bit on the healthier side. I like to add, for some texture, some toasted coconut flakes. Cranberries are usually my go-to. If I really want to stay nice and healthy, I'll go with some dried goji berries and some cocoa nibs. There's oatmeal, steel cut.